Day 3 speaking challenge begin. Today I woke up at 3 p.m. Then I washing my body, then I eat, then I drinking coffee. A few weeks ago I feel overthinking because of my job. Then I just distract my mind to hanging out with my friends to treat my overthinking. And it works. But I think I can be better to use my energies to activate it Sophie Food Driver again. Now I have to do finish my takes of my college. Thank you very much. See you.